Hey everyone, it's Ariel. Welcome back to another video, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. Today is another episode of Tip Tuesday, and for today's video we're going to be talking all about hair cutting scissors, as well as a little tip on how you can check if they are sharp enough to use. Let's get into it. So in the past year or so, especially with 2020 and the whole pandemic situation, I've made a few videos showing you how you can cut your own hair at home. And I've gotten amazing feedback on those. I'm so glad that so many of you are finding them helpful. It's been really cool to see. But with that said, I was thinking, I'm teaching all these people how to cut their own hair at home, but even though I've told them to use sharp professional scissors if possible, I really have no idea what they're using to cut their hair. So today, first of all, I'm gonna find some examples of some scissors that I would recommend personally. And I will leave those linked in the description if you want to check those out. And also, I want to show you how you can make sure that the scissors you do have are sharp enough to use. So that is what I'm going to do. I have my pair of shears here. These are my shears that I got from hair school. So these are professional hair cutting shears. I don't even know if you can buy these anywhere because like I said, I did get them from hair school. These are actually the only scissors I've ever used. I love them. They've been so good to me. I've always felt like they work super well, and I just haven't really felt like I needed a new pair, I guess. I love the size, they're comfortable to use. So yeah, this is the pair I'm using. But like I said, I will leave some linked in the description of this video, some that I think I would use. So make sure you check that out if you need a pair. But if you don't have a pair of professional scissors and you're in dire need of a haircut, you need to cut it right now. The most important thing you can do, or one of the most important things, is make sure you have a sharp pair of scissors. So to do that, I'm going to show you this little trick that I learned from the guy who used to sharpen my scissors, and that is using a wet tissue to cut through them. So I have a wet tissue here, or a wet paper towel. It's not dripping wet, but it's, you know, nice and damp. If your scissors are sharp, they will cut right through this. If they're not, the paper will bend, you won't be able to cut, or you'll have a really hard time cutting through this. So let's see how sharp my scissors are. Ready? Pretty good. Goes right through it, no problem. So that's how you can tell my scissors are sharp, and I got them sharpened not too long ago. I also haven't been using them a whole lot lately since I no longer work in a salon. But whatever pair of scissors you're using, try this at home. Try cutting into a wet tissue paper, and if it does that, you are good. If not, please either go and get your scissors sharpened or just buy a new pair of scissors. They're not that expensive. Again, check the description box if you need a pair. It is definitely worth the investment if you are planning to cut your own hair at home, because you do not want to be using a dull pair of scissors on your hair, trust me. So yeah, it's as easy as that, just cutting into a damp paper towel. So that's the video. It's a short one today. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment, and subscribe if you're not already. Try this on your scissors and let me know how it went. Let me know if your scissors are sharp, and if not, please go and get yourself a new pair or get them sharpened. Definitely don't use dull scissors on your hair. I've mentioned it so many times, but I cannot say it enough because it's so important. But yeah, that's it guys. Hopefully you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.